What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video, and if you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I post investing videos, cryptocurrency, day trading. You already know what it is: swing trading, live day trading, trade zero. Okay, let's get to the topic of the video. If you're a beginner investor using Robinhood, I have used Robinhood for years, maybe 7 years. I no longer use them. I use the TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. But if you do, guys, if you're starting off, if you like the free trading, if you do like paying no fees, this is the fastest way to double your account. Okay, this is the best and worst ways. The worst thing you do is hold a stock long term, hold like an Apple, hold like a Google, hold like a, I don't know, Amazon, right? If you hold a stock it'll take you years to get any kind of money. The amount of profit and percentages you'll make is very low. Your money will be tied up in cash. You're not going to have liquid. It's not going to be tradable day to day. I personally day trade and swing trade every single day, short, options, puts, calls. You know what I mean? I make money daily, $100 to $1,000 every single day. And these are what I recommend. So if you're a brand new trader, I recommend either penny stocks, just because of the quick volatility and percentages you can make, or options. Let's look at Disney, for example, right? I definitely see Disney going under. So if you have an equities broker like maybe TD or Trade Zero, you could short with over $2,000, then short this. If you can't, I recommend getting put option. So as you see right here, it says a gap fill. All this really has to do is break under 151, maybe 150. As you see, it did, definitely did. So definitely has a gap to fill. I see it maybe going to 149, maybe 149.50. So that gives you a whole $1 to $2 a drop. This is very possible. All you have to do is click options, maybe go to buy a put. What's the price am I looking for? Maybe 149, and bam, one contract, 100 shares to short this for 1 week is $84. That's all you really have to do, guys. Another good option, guys, is Roku. I definitely have told people, I actually help people invest. I've told people a week ago, get Roku puts, and as you see, Roku is down $4 and maybe even more. This was 168, and then we're down to the low of 160. So definitely that's $8 a share, and as you see, there's a lot of room to go. So this could definitely get down to maybe 158.50, if not maybe 150, depending on how hard the fall is. And the third trade, guys, is BYND. As you see, it is up from 76 to 83. So if you do think this can crack under maybe 81, it looks like it already did, it definitely can get to maybe 80, 79, 90, 80. I definitely see maybe 79.50. Sorry if I'm talking a little fast. That's basically all you really have to do. So really, guys, if you want to just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I appreciate it. Just a quick video. If you're new to trading options, if you're new to trading Robinhood, I definitely recommend 3 things, right? 1, stop traditional investing, right? You don't want to invest in long-term companies. You don't want to tie your money up for years. You don't want to just sit and wait and make small percentage. You want to either do penny stocks or you want to do options trading. Again, guys, just a real quick, this is my channel, investing, cryptocurrencies, day trading, swing trading, options trading. And my 3 trades would be a Disney put, definitely 149. Roku would be a put. Let's look at the order right here. Definitely would be a put, maybe, what's the price, 160. I definitely see probably this one, 375 maybe even 160 if you want to play it safe. And for BYND, guys, what I would trade with this one would probably be a put, just because it has more, and then get an 80-50 for 200. That's essentially what I would do, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick video. I just didn't want to post a video. I didn't want to go a day without posting. I've been consistently posting videos, but as you guys know, it is Thanksgiving, so I had to do it last minute. That's why I'm talking a little faster. I will make better quality videos. I just want to get it out before the day ends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.